Hi there, middle school principals and secretaries. It's Larry Bingham here with the PPS web team to walk you through a demonstration of your new school websites. Like the district's new website, we designed your sites to be mobile responsive. We know from research that many families have a cell phone regardless of income. The new school websites will be more easily read on a phone. Like the school sites, we also based the layout for your new school sites around what pages were being visited and searched for the most according to Google Analytics. Two focus groups, one made up of parents and another made up of principals, secretaries, and teachers, also provided input. Another goal of this new design is to maintain a consistent look for all the schools across the district. We have created a simple, clean design that can be easily maintained and updated with minimal data entry from your staff. To establish consistency, we will deliver a standard design that we'll use across all schools, but it allows for some customization. Okay, let's take a look at the site. Here you'll notice your school logo, your name, address, location, and contact information. The circles here on the upper left-hand corner are given to 3 links that Google Analytics tell us are the most visited: daily schedule, lunch menu, bus routes. You'll also notice that the new language links from the district site carry over to the school sites. The search and sign in are located in the same place on the school sites. If your school is part of an educational program like AVID or IB, those logos will go here. This is the rotating banner. This is the place where you'll add your school photos. You can also promote events here. You can add a title or descriptor to the photos and a link to more photos or more information. More schools are creating Facebook pages and Twitter accounts and Instagram accounts. This is where the web team will add your social media icons, and these icons will link to your pages. The school calendar was one of the things that was consistently in the top 5 most visited pages across all school sites. So we moved the calendar to a more prominent place on the school websites, and we built space at the bottom of the calendar to accommodate whatever is happening at your school. Across the page are the quick links. The first 6 or so will be consistent on every school website. They will include the Parent View, Student View portal page, Peach Jar, PTA, Site Council, school newsletters, and volunteer opportunities. The volunteer link will go directly to the district site unless you have a page you want to maintain just for your school. The remaining links are specific to your school, and we can customize and add more links if you like. Okay, let's talk about the channel bar. This is a new form of navigation for school websites. It might be helpful to think of these as buckets of content. You have left-hand navigation on your existing school websites, and we'll still use that with the quick links. But we also want to offer you channels and sections. These stack up on a mobile device and give schools a place to add information without cluttering the site. The 5 channels here are consistent across all middle schools. We can add a few more if you want. Under each channel are sections. For example, under school, you'll find mission, general information, student handbook, registration and enrollment, and others that you can customize if you want. If you want to add history, or directions, or an FAQ. Under the academics channel are 3 that will be consistent across every middle school site: talented and gifted, special education, and Common Core standards. These will link to district department websites unless you want to maintain one specific to your school. You can also customize these sections under academics with things like homework policies, counselors, electives. The teacher and staff channel will go to a table that your staff can easily keep up to date. Teacher pages are optional, but we will provide a template. The final channel is student activities. Library channel, like teachers and staff, can be customized. All right, let's talk about tabs next. You'll have 3 tabs on every site and the option to add a 4th if you want to customize it for your school. The first tab will be school news and announcements specific to your school. The second tab will take you to the principal's message. The third tab will be for district news. Each school will get its school colors, and then we're going to encourage you to share feedback or tell your families and staff to share feedback about the new sites here at this questions or feedback form at the bottom of the page. Finally, here at the top You can click on Portland Public Schools to take you back to the main district website. And you can click on the icon or the name of your school to take you back to your school's homepage. So that's it for the tour. Check your email for the timeline, next steps, and how you can help us get your school websites up and running before the start of the school year. Thanks.